Self-love is about taking care of yourself so you are proud enough to be who you are. And that entails taking care of your skin. And so today I'll be sharing with you some things I do, as well as things I stopped doing in order to maintain a youthful and much more attractive appearance in my 40 plus. I have seen a lot of change with these tips I'll be sharing with you. So you want to stick around, subscribe if you haven't yet, and feel free to leave your own tips at the comments as well, so we can all learn. Yeah. So tip number one, or the first thing I make sure I do each day. This might sound funny, but I make sure I poop every day, at least once or twice a day. That is very important. Not pooping daily or regularly is not good for your skin health. Just imagine you're having all the bad stuffs in your skin. It reflects on your skin as well. So what I do each day is I try to start my day with a metabolism booster. I have shared a lot of those recipes. I will leave a link to my channel, Razor's Tips, where I share a lot of healthy recipes to help you live a healthier life. Not pooping is really bad. Like when I share my videos, I'm talking about pooping on the other channel, my other channel I'm talking about, people are like, Lisa, you're always about pooping. Yes, pooping is good for our health. Pooping is good for our skin. If you don't poop, it means you're culturing toxins in you, because what needs to go out, as long as it doesn't go, it converts into toxins. So pooping is good, darling. So if you want to have a beautiful skin, beautiful health, and a beautiful, more attractive life, trust me, you want to make sure you poop each day. Just by drinking regular water helps to improve digestion. So if it is just drinking water, you want to drink your water, enough water, which takes me to tip number two. I drink enough water my system can accommodate each day. I drink lots and lots of water. This helps for two reasons: to help you digest whatever you eat, so nothing stores up in your system, converting to toxins, as I just mentioned. You easily break down food you eat, which helps you lose weight as well, because not breaking down your food means it stores up in your system and you gain weight. And so water to me is life, and this hydrates your skin. As you age, one of the most important things is hydration. So I drink lots of water, because water leaves your skin hydrated, plump and fresh. When you drink water, your skin looks like fresh water. So just imagine fresh water, and it freshens up your pores. Like, this is the cheapest thing in your house, and just imagine what water can do. And when I talk of detox recipes, detox is all about your fruits and vegetables. So those are things you eat every day, but I've shared different recipes. There are so many detox recipes. Just make sure you are helping your system to clean up, like to pass out all the bad stuffs every day, and watch how your skin will improve. That has been my secret for some time now, and I am so impressed in my 40s how my skin look. So I thought of sharing with you. That is my tip number one. Yeah. Now tip number two, before I go external. I have become so intentional about what I put into my system or in my mouth. If I don't know what the said thing will do to my health and body as a whole, I don't eat it. Having to put just the right food in my system has changed my skin and like the aging of my skin a lot. I now eat a lot of collagen boosting fruits, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons. I add them in my water, like your regular water, you squeeze some lemons in here. That is vitamin C, which is a form of antioxidant, as well as helping to boost collagen. Citrus fruits are very good at helping you stay youthful always. I eat a lot of citrus fruits, vitamin E fruits like papaya, mangoes. Every day I make sure I eat a fruit or two to make sure my system get the vitamin E, vitamin C, all those vitamins I need to boost collagen production, so I stay looking youthful always. Not that we don't want to age. When you say you want to stay looking youthful, it means you want to stay looking vibrant. Aging is a privilege, something we all love and wish to attain old age, but you want to attain and still look at your body and love how you, and still look at your body and love it, not neglecting your skin because you're aging, so, and stay away from anything that has zero nutrients in. You already know the things that have those zero nutrients. All those excessive processed foods, I don't eat them at all. For my health, for health reasons, I don't eat them at all, which has helped me to improve my skin's youthfulness as well. Because once you eat those wrong things, they are so hard for your system to break down, and that is how they store up in your system, making your skin, today you complain of acne, tomorrow pimples. And if you stop putting the wrong things into your system, you always look youthful and vibrant. If your skin is smooth, it looks youthful. Once your skin is rough and congested, it looks aged. So that is the secret to having a smooth looking skin, which leads me to this cleanser I want to share with you today. This CeraVe cleanser. This is something I use on my face on a daily. Now we are going external. This is something I use on my face on a daily. So I deep clean my pores. So if there are any impurities on my skin from environmental exposure, I make sure I cleanse with this, so they are all gone and my skin looks so smooth. The cleanser is CeraVe Renewing Cleanser for normal skin. Gently cleanses and exfoliates while softening and smoothing the skin. Non-drying, non-irritating, with ceramides and salicylic acid. This salicylic acid is something I have noticed all the skincare gurus use when they are fighting aging. Salicylic acid, and you have it in this CeraVe, and it is not up to $10. This is so affordable, and I use it on a daily. You can use it for like 6 months. It goes nowhere, and just a little goes a long way. This is a must-have if you want your skin to always look so smooth. Because if you don't wash off impurities on your skin, most especially when you expose your body outside and you put on makeup and the rest, you need something to really deep clean your pores with, and this has been my secret. The fourth very important thing I can't do without, like if you want to always look youthful, never neglect your under eyes. That is where that aging pops on your skin. Never neglect your under eyes. Like I moisturize my under eyes on a daily. It's either I use shea butter, the regular shea butter, to moisturize my under eyes with coconut butter, or I use my store-bought eye cream, whichever. Any cream for under the eyes, so long as you're moisturizing your under eyes. That is a big secret. When you don't moisturize your under eyes, it's not like these under eye creams are to perform any extra magic. Not moisturizing alone. Have you noticed if you apply powder or foundation on your face underneath your eyes without without your under eyes moisturized, it tends to be dry and you notice some fake wrinkles underneath your eyes? That is the importance of moisturizing. When you neglect your under eyes, they tend to be dry. You tend to have dark circles because you need them moisturized to stay looking plump and healthy. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So moisturizing your under eyes is key. So this is a must-have. Your eye cream or shea butter to apply underneath your eyes. Yeah. Now, I intentionally did this hair so you can see the difference. If you've been watching my videos, you will notice when my hair is braided, I look much more youthful than when I put on my wigs and the rest. So having your natural hair, that is why I say looking youthful is not something you spend a lot of money, because this hair is my cheapest hair. but it makes me look so youthful than even some of the wigs I have that are really expensive. But I just love me wigs. But I know having my natural hair, either braiding the hair or just styling my natural hair, makes me look so beautiful and much more and much youthful than, so just your natural look can make you look so youthful always. And as well as I love bright colors, you see I'm putting on white. As you're aging, you want to fall in love with bright colors. They bring in youthfulness. They make you look youthful and playful. So I love colors, and like bright colors, they always make me look playful, youthful, and yeah. So plus makeup as well. I try to do colorful but not crazy colorful makeups. Like I don't do the neutrals or the dull color makeups. I try to add a little bit of color to my makeup so it can pop and bring some life on my face, and that makes me look much more youthful. That is my own opinion. I don't know about you, but to me, having a little bit of color on your face can make you look more youthful. Like you see my lipstick is like very light pink, but not just completely neutral. So it is not heavy, not loud, but it makes my face pop. Even my eyeshadow, as you can see, it brings in some color, some playfulness to my face. Like I intentionally did my makeup today and my dressing, my hair, just to illustrate for you to understand. In order to look youthful doesn't cost a lot of money. They are just choices. Some things you need to do, things I do to maintain my youthfulness. And if you're spending a lot of money to look good, that is on you. And trust me, you're wasting your time, because those people who spend a lot of money doing things to augment, and to me, some of them look so funny. Just simple changes like eating just healthy food, nutrients rich food is a lot you're doing to your system, making sure you poop all the bad stuff out each day. You poop. There are some people who don't poop every day. That is bad. It is not good for your health and your skin. So pooping each day, every day, making sure you poop, drink your water. Like this is my best friend. I love me some water, as well as try to cleanse your skin, so you're deep cleaning your pores each day. Simple things I do, and so far I love how my skin keeps improving each day for my age. And comparing with some of my age mates, I can hit my chest and say, Risa, I'm proud of me. I'm proud of me. And trust me, when you're proud of your skin, you're proud of yourself as well. That is self-love. And self-growth, self-development can never be complete without self-love. Yeah. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. I don't know if I left something out. Feel free to share your own tips at the comments. Tips on like things you do to maintain a healthy looking appearance always. Share your secrets with me. I've shared mine with you, so feel free. We are friends here. Remember, this is a friend zone. It is not all about Risa. This is a friend zone. Leave your comments below, and if this is your first time stopping here and watching me, you love Risa, feel free to subscribe to this channel so we can be friends forever. And share the video with your family and friends. I love you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye. See you again in my next video.